Hey, Divine One, I just want to say one thing, okay? I know that as you're moving into this new energy, it can be really hard to see how everything's going to happen. But I can tell you from my own experience, if you can surrender and let everything flow to you, if you can just look around you and see that your needs are being met, that there's nothing you have to do, nothing you have to achieve, nothing you have to be other than who you are right now for everything to come together, everything's going to get so much easier. The universe no longer wants us to go into that hustle and grind. It's ready for us to sit back, to hold that really high frequency and to just let ourselves enjoy it. So let yourself be moved by the higher consciousness that resides within you. Let yourself be led through this life and simply allow it to happen. The more that you can allow, the more your needs will be met. And it might not seem like you have everything that you desire right now, but the universe is providing for you exactly what you need in this moment. And if you can trust the divine timing, you will see that every step that you are on is so perfect, and that if you would have received it at any moment earlier than when it's coming, it wouldn't have worked out. So allow yourself to trust in the timing, trust in the vision, trust in the knowing, have faith. Everything is shifting. Allow yourself to be, surrender, breathe, and enjoy life like this was your last moment on earth. I see you. I've got you. Breathe deep and plan on miracles.